Meaning of earache.
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 Earache. Earache refers to pain that occurs in the ear, either in the outer, middle, or inner ear. The cause of earaches can vary from infection, trauma, or injury to irritation from foreign objects, among others. Symptoms of earache may include pain, discomfort, or a feeling of fullness in the affected ear, as well as difficulty hearing and in some cases, fever. Treatment for earaches may depend on the underlying cause, and can range from over-the-counter pain medication to surgical intervention in severe cases. It is important to seek medical attention if symptoms persist or worsen.